Welcome to Rustic Alley. Rustic Allies, thank you for your continued support. Here's a high five from Allie. Please like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you don't miss updates on this channel. Let's discuss the food you need in your diet to support a healthier lifestyle. Mushrooms are a delicious and nutritious food that offer a variety of health benefits. They are a good source of protein, fiber, and vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, selenium, and copper. Mushrooms also contain compounds such as antioxidants and beta-glucans, which have been shown to have a number of health benefits. Here are some of the potential health benefits of mushrooms. Boost the immune system. Mushrooms contain compounds that can help to activate the immune system and fight infection. For example, beta-glucans have been shown to increase the production of white blood cells, which help to defend the body against disease. Reduce the risk of cancer. Some studies have shown that eating mushrooms may be associated with a lower risk of certain types of cancer, including breast cancer, colorectal cancer, and prostate cancer. This is thought to be due to the presence of antioxidants and other compounds in mushrooms that can help to protect cells from damage. Promote heart health. Mushrooms contain compounds that can help to lower cholesterol levels and improve blood pressure. This may help to reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Support gut health. Mushrooms are a good source of fiber, which is important for gut health. Fiber helps to keep the digestive system healthy and regular. Mushrooms also contain prebiotics, which are non-digestible fibers that nourish the beneficial bacteria in the gut. Protect brain health. Some studies have shown that eating mushrooms may help to protect against cognitive decline and dementia. This is thought to be due to the presence of antioxidants and other compounds in mushrooms that can help to protect the brain from damage. In addition to these health benefits, mushrooms are also a low-calorie food that is fat-free and cholesterol-free. They are also a good source of plant-based protein, making them a good option for vegetarians and vegans. There are many different ways to incorporate mushrooms into your diet. Here are a few ideas. Add mushrooms to your breakfast. Sautéed mushrooms with onions and garlic make a delicious and nutritious topping for eggs, omelets, or quiche. You can also add chopped mushrooms to yogurt or oatmeal. Snack on mushrooms. Raw mushrooms are a crunchy and healthy snack. You can also marinate or roast mushrooms and enjoy them as a snack or appetizer. Use mushrooms in place of meat. Mushrooms have a meaty texture and flavor, so they can be used as a meat substitute in many dishes. For example, you can use mushrooms to make burgers, meatballs, and tacos. Add mushrooms to soups and stews. Mushrooms add flavor and depth to soups and stews. You can also use mushrooms to make a creamy mushroom soup. Sauté mushrooms as a side dish. Sautéed mushrooms are a quick and easy side dish that goes well with any main course. Add mushrooms to sauces and gravies. Mushrooms can be added to sauces and gravies to add flavor and richness. Here are some specific recipes that you can try. Creamy mushroom soup, mushroom risotto, portobello mushroom steaks, mushroom stroganoff, mushroom and Swiss burgers. If you are new to eating mushrooms, start by adding a small amount to your meals and gradually increase the amount as you become accustomed to the taste and texture. Mushrooms can also be purchased in powdered form, which can be added to smoothies, soups, and other dishes. No matter how you choose to eat them, mushrooms are a healthy and delicious way to add nutrients and flavor to your diet. Overall, mushrooms are a healthy and nutritious food that can offer a variety of health benefits. They can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes such as soups, stews, stir-fries, and salads. We hope you found this information helpful. Let us know in the comment section how you use mushrooms. We'd love to hear from you. As always, safe travels.